Hey, what's going on, guys? JB here, and today I'm gonna be unlocking a Chrysler key fob. And to do this, I'll be using this amazing tool. It's called VVID, and it's made by XHORSE. And to show you that this thing is locked, this thing has a cool feature that reads most immobilizers and cars. So first we're gonna read the chip on this one, just to show you that it's locked. And to do this, we're gonna hit transponder clone, and it's gonna do an automatic detection of the chip. But the chip there is reading, and as you can see, it's locked. This one is locked, and we're gonna attempt to unlock it using these wires. The red wire is the 5-volt power, and the black one is ground. And just to give you an example, we have the diagrams online as well, and here are the colors. Obviously red and black are always power and ground, and these are gonna be your data connections. But I couldn't find this diagram here in the website, so I discovered this video, and it's exactly the same as this one. So it says I'll be connecting this one and this one, which is the yellow and the brown. So I'm gonna put the yellow here. The yellow wire is going to be right here in this one, and the brown one needs to go on this one right here. And to do that, you need a soldering thing. So I will solder these things, and once it's done, I'll show you on the machine how to unlock it. I'll be back. Okay, so once we have our cables already in this thing, we have ground, power, that's the brown wire, and next to it is the yellow wire, and you can see the configuration right here. That's the yellow one and the brown. And now we're gonna choose our model of tablet, and it's gonna be this one right here. That's the number M3M57783X. So we're gonna choose on our tool, renew remote. I'm gonna choose who's the the make, and as we can see, we're gonna choose this one, M3M5W7X3. So we hit enter, and we read this. Please select the proper option. Turns your less adapter, which is this cable right here, and chip print Chrysler, and we just hit right. We wait, and renew success. Now we go back, and we desolder this now, and I'll be back just to check that this remote is unlocked. Alright guys, so I'm back, and just to make sure that this thing works, I just unplugged this. You just put the transponder here, and we select the automatic detection, and we see that it's unlocked. So we successfully unlocked this controller. So if you have any question, guys, I've been using this tool for many cars, and it's just amazing. It comes in a kit, this thing. It comes with those. You can put transponders in here, and you can program these controllers to your car. It comes with a lot of adapters, and it's really nice. And you can update it for free. And this tool wasn't too expensive. It was like $250, but it's just worth it.